Hello, I will be going over some very useful keyboard shortcuts and I will be demonstrating them as well. First, we have Control A, which selects all your text for you without a mouse. Next is Control F, which helps you find the text. Control H has two different uses. One will show your history on a browser page, and on a Word document, it opens up the Find and Replace option. Control B will bold your letter formatting. Hitting Control B will undo that. Control I italicizes your words, and hitting Control I unitalicizes that action as well. Control L will align your text to the left. Control M will indent your text. Control N opens up a whole new Word document. And finally, Control O opens up your options. Thanks for watching this video.